Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this cooler for your tablet and for your Surface tablet, but also for small laptops. I have this 14-inch laptop that fits perfectly here, and even better, it has the fans kind of like the cooling fans on the bottom, so it will really beneficiate for this one. But if not, you can use it for tablets or iPads or the Surface for Microsoft, things like that. Really like how it's made. It's kind of like super sleek and modern, but also that it takes care of your devices because it comes with silicone pads on the bottom and silicone pads right here. So number one, it won't damage your devices. And number two, it will also take care of any scratches. Perfectly designed just to put it in any position if you want, and also compact for traveling. But as you can see over here, you can just put it in this position like this one and make this one to be a really nice stand. By the way, it comes with a USB-A cable that you can also transform with an adapter on a USB-C cable. So you're gonna just plug it into your laptop like I'm gonna do right now. So the fans are on right now, which I think it is really cool. Just is gonna kind of like suck all the air from the bottom and expel that air to hit the fans from either, as I was just telling you before, the laptop or the tablet. But again, this one works perfectly, as you can see over here, with the silicone pads. It will block the laptop if it is a small laptop up to 15 inches, and it works just like as any other one, but having the fan that cools down the coolers from the actual laptop. I like it. I do recommend this one.